It's time for another big music game, and we're playing Body Chords, Level 2. Let's check out all of the chords that will be played in this song and where we will play them on our body. Play the body chords with us while listening to the song. And when you see the question mark under the spotlight, that means to try it on your own. Let's play.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you just knocked out another big music game level. Nice work.